A dry stone wall, typically the wall material itself will serve as the footing if the ground is stable enough. If it's blocks, that first row, needs to have a crushed base and needs to be compacted in order to not have any sinkage. In some cases, you can pour a footing, do a concrete footing first with you add some rebar or something. If the ground seems to be a little soft in some spots, that's a good way to go. But that's not usually the case. Usually we can just toe it in, we can compact it, we can go ahead and go in. We like Rockery a lot because Rockery, you're not following these perfectly straight level lines. It's all integrated. And so if in the future some of it settles a little bit, the Rockery just locks together further, but it doesn't throw things out of alignment the way it would with a block wall. And so if it's softer ground, and there's possibility of a little bit of settling and sinkage into the future, Rockery is definitely the way to go. If it's super soft, you're gonna want some type of concrete footing to be sure.